Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add to Watchlist on Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add to Watchlist on Pluto TV, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. Log into your Pluto TV's account and the homepage of Pluto TV will appear on the screen. Click on Watch Live TV option. Choose the movie or TV show that you'd like to add to a watch list and tap on it. You can either search for it by tapping on search icon at the top of the page, or else you can choose it from the list shown on the page. Now once you choose a movie or TV show that you'd like to add to your watch list, click on the plus icon right next to heart icon. This is how you can add movie or TV shows on Watchlist quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.